Hey everyone, I'm Zachary with sellthoseflippingcars. Today we are going to check out Orion Motor Tech's all-in-one AC kit to see if it's right for you in your AC project. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back. As I said, we're checking out the Orion Motor Tech all-in-one kit to see if it's right for you in your AC job, or maybe you're a fellow mechanic and you want to add something to your portfolio, something you're able to do. Well, the AC kit will add that, and we all know that AC costs a lot of money if you take it to a repair shop, hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, if you need an AC compressor replacement. Why can't you do it? Well, with this kit, you can, so let's jump in it.
Welcome back, everyone. As I said, are you having AC problems, or are you a mechanic and looking for a way to add to your work portfolio? This amazing all-in-one kit from Orion Motor Tech is definitely that option. As you can see, everything is packaged to keep it safe while it is in shipping, so it can get to you and do what it needs to do. It does come with the manifold gauges, the vacuum pump, a nice bag, a leak detector, and some more space to fit a little bit more tools in there if you need to. As you can see, that bag is very spacious. You'll see at the end of the video with all the tools in it. You got the leak detector for all of your AC problems, because we all know the Freon does not go anywhere. It stays in the system. So if you don't have any Freon, you have a leak. And this leak detector will find that leak, make your job a lot easier than it needs to be. Okay, you also have the manifold gauge set, which I did have a manifold gauge set before Orion sent me this, but this one tops the cake. Nice quality. You got your hoses, you got the hanger, you got the gauges, you got your couplers, and it is a nice just resiliency behind these tools, something that will last you for years to come. And that is what you need in tools, because if you're a mechanic just like me, or if you're just a DIYer, you know how expensive these tools can get. So the longer you can keep the tools nice, the more money you're going to make, because you don't have to keep buying the same tools. And Orion Motor Tech has saved me numerous times with their wide array tool catalog that they have. So if you haven't checked them out yet, you definitely need to. So that is the AC manifold gauge set. We have the vacuum pump next, which of course this thing is sealed up tighter than Fort Knox, so you need both hands to open up the box here. It does come with everything for the vacuum pump inside, and some pump oil as well, which is always nice. You never want to run your pump dry on oil. You need to keep it topped up so you can keep making money with this thing. Orion Motor Tech really put the packaging on this vacuum pump to make sure it got to you safely and packaged. You do see a nice 3-foot extension right there, so if you do need an extension cord, so be it. This nice vacuum pump is a 1/3 horsepower pump, so it's not too heavy, it's not too light. It'll definitely be able to travel with you if you are doing any work in the field. Okay, which being a former road tech, I know all about it. He's preaching the choir. All right, so 1/3 horsepower. You also have a 4 CFM. I'm trying to focus in the camera for you guys so you can see it a little bit better there. This pump does have a 5 PA ultimate vacuum, so that will really boil out any debris you have in your line to give your customer or your own vehicle that nice, crisp air conditioning that you're looking for. So we can put that to the side, and as I said, it's a 3-foot cord, and you have your hookups right there in the front where you'll hook up your gauges and your entire AC kit. Everything fits nicely back into the bag, and as I said, you have plenty of room for any extra tools. So Orion Motor Tech, huge thank you and great job on the kit. I can't wait to get these ACs up and going.
Guys, there you have it, the Orion Motor Tech all-in-one kit. Huge shout out to Orion Motor Tech. Thank you guys, James and his team over there. Guys, amazing customer service. If you've bought any tools from Orion Motor Tech before, you know what I'm talking about. So all right, guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning in to another great episode here on the channel. Definitely stay tuned for our daily YouTube shorts and Instagram reels out there. If you're not following us yet on Instagram, you can follow the link in the video description down below, and that'll take you right over to that. So thank you so much, guys. Hopefully this tool helps you out with your AC work that you need to get done. And if you have any questions about the AC troubleshooting that you're doing right now, please leave it in the video description, not the video description, the comment section down below. I answer all the questions myself, and I love to help you guys get your vehicle back on the road without breaking the bank. So thank you so much again, guys. And until next time, hey, keep on wrenching. Take care.